Okay, so for converting in the metric unit, everything is really nice because it's just factors of 10. So there's a saying, if you look up here, King Henry died ultimately drinking chocolate milk. Okay, and so what does that mean? That is the order of the metric system from largest in kilo. Okay, so largest is kilo, and then the smallest, sorry, I'm writing with my fingers, so it's horrible. And then the smallest is milli. What? There we go. Okay, so smallest is milli, largest is kilo. So King Henry died, ultimately drinking chocolate milk. And so that can help you remember the order of metric. Okay, so with this, um, what happened here? Is with this, okay, you can convert units. So if I have 642 millimeters, and I want to know, okay, how many meters is that? Okay, I can go from milli, okay, which is right here. Okay, this is my milli. And I want to go to meters, which is right here. So I know I'm going to move my decimal point 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. So I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. So 0.642 meters is 1. Is that how many millimeters? Okay. You can go the opposite direction. So um, if I have 1,000 789 kilometers, and I want to go to meters. Okay, again, my kilometers are here, and I want to move it 2 meters, so I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3. Nope, move spot 1, 2, 3. So go to every letter, 3 spots to the right. Okay, so I put my decimal point here at the end, so it's 1, 2, 3. So I would have this many meters, so 1,789,800 meters. Okay, so that is with um, when I'm using the standard, okay, metric unit. So kilo, and then it goes all the way down to milli. So King Henry died ultimately drinking chocolate milk. So kilo, hecta, deca, then it's our unit, deci, centi, milli. Now you don't need to know hecta and deca, but it's there to help you remember. Okay. So the other thing that we can think about, okay, with this is if I have giga mega on the large side, or if I have micro nano pico. Okay. So giga, mega are large, so I'm going to put them on the left here. So giga, okay, is a big G. Mega is a big M. Okay. Micro, nano, and pico, okay, are on the are small. So I'm going to put them where next to millis. So nano or micro is kind of like a curly kind of M. So that's micro, nano, and pico. Okay. So we put our other ones in here. So King Henry died ultimately drinking chocolate milk. Okay. So we have giga. Okay. So giga is here. Mega, kilo, hecta, deca are units. Deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, pico. So how do we remember the difference between giga and mega? Okay. I always think of everything in alphabetical order. G, comes before M, so I put G first, okay? And then you know you're going to have to memorize all these ones in the middle. So here's our unit. So it's 10 to the 0. So this is actually going to be 10 to the 1, 1, 10 to the 2, 10 to the third, okay? But when you get to mega and giga, they get quite large, okay? So you're going to add a power of 3 to it, so it becomes 10 to the 6. So there's 3 spots actually in between there. And then 9 spots, or another 3 between mega and giga. Okay, so it goes, when you get over into this area, okay, these all have, you would move the decimal spot 3 spots between them, okay? On the other side, okay, deci is 10 to the negative 1, centi is 10 to the negative 2, milli is 10 to the negative third, okay? And then once you get to micro, nano, pico, again, alphabetical order goes M, N, P, okay? So alphabetical order, and that's, again, it's changing by a power of 3. So 10 to the negative 6, 10 to the negative 9, and 10 to the negative 12, okay? So just another easy way to kind of remember them, okay? They all change by a power of 3, okay? All of those. So if I were to go from milli to micro, I would have to move my decimal point 3 spots to the right. Okay? Let me know if you have questions. We can work on this some in class as well. Okay?